In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock in Gmail. If you've blocked a sender in the past and their messages are no longer coming through, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to allow them back into your inbox using Gmail on a web browser. Start by opening Gmail and signing into your account if you're not already. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, you'll see several options, but the one you want is labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click See All Settings to open the full settings page. At the top of the settings page, you'll notice a row of tabs. Find and select the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail lists all the filters you've created, as well as any email addresses you've blocked. Scroll through the blocked list to locate the email address you want to restore. On the right side of that address, you'll see the option to unblock. Click. Unblock next to the address you want to allow again. That's it. Once you click Unblock, Gmail removes that address from your blocked list, and future messages from that sender will arrive in your inbox as usual. If you have more than one address you want to allow, simply repeat the same click next to each one. You can always come back to this page in the future if you need to review or change your blocked list. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the address you're looking for on the blocked list, it likely isn't blocked under this account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage more than one. Also, remember that unblocking a sender doesn't automatically move any old messages. It just lets new emails come through going forward. If you want to find older emails from that sender, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Finally, if you changed your mind, you can always return to this same Settings tab and block the address again later. Keeping an eye on your Filters and Blocked Addresses tab is a great way to manage who can reach you and keep your inbox focused on what matters. And that's how to unblock in Gmail quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.